morning, everyone. It's 6:26 in the morning here in Spain, which is we are now in Zaragoza. Ito mga kaibigan ko, guys, ang mamayayaman kong friend.
Ay, grabe.
So guys, ito na yung cathedral. But the thing is, under construction. Kanya-kanya pala to. We have to, maghahanap tayo ng toilet kasi sasabog na siya. So ito na nga guys, nandito tayo sa Cafe France. So ngayon, we're gonna try the coffee. May gulay. Oo, sobrang ganda. On our right, we have the mountains, the Rock Mountains. And yan. Oh, that's the lake, guys. So you see that. So ito na nga, kalalagpas lang natin ng border ng Andorra. So guys, welcome to Andorra. This is the government, I think, of Andorra. Dito daw sa Andorra, guys, puro mayayaman daw yung mga nakatira dito. Cathedral ba to? Ito yun, di ba? Ito yung cathedral nila for a small country. Ayan, sa taas. It's a mountain. Oh, may nagpe-perform doon. Check natin, guys. Visibility talaga.
So yeah, we are in the France. Small part like passing here. This left side, Libya, is not connected with the Spain, but it's Spain. It's Molari if you check on the Google map. So they didn't like it to pay the taxes to France, so they decided to stay under ruling of Spain.
A few moments later.
Wow. Yeah. Nice view, right? So we will be having our wash break. This is just a small town here, one of the parts of Europe, which is the France.
Mediterranean Sea. So we came from the mountain up now to the Mediterranean level.
A few moments later.
Ayan. So hello everyone. Welcome to southern part ng France. Here in Europe. So welcome to Montpellier, which is one of the cities here in France, here in southern part ng France. So we will be proceeding to Place de la Comédie. Ang cute ng train nila. Talagang napaka-progressive ng country ng France. Yung mga trees dito dominated by the maple trees. So naglalakad tayo guys. Nandito pa rin tayo sa southern part ng France, which is dito sa Montpellier. So yun na nga. Galing kami doon sa may sa square, which is pinakasikat din dito sa southern part ng France. Yung weather, hindi naman masyadong mainit, hindi naman masyadong malamig. So we have 22 degrees. Katamtaman na. Walang masyadong tao. Parang pang 4 countries na natin to. Itong France. Tingnan nyo guys, yung riles, yung dinadaanan ng train, hindi masyadong prohibited sa mga tao na pwede maglakad. May mga dumadaan ng mga nagbabicycle. Napaka-develop talaga ng France. Knowing na ito ay sa southern part lang ng France, so hindi tayo masyado nakapaglagay ng sunscreen. Ang init. Baka mamaya masunog yung mukha natin. Ayun na yung mga kasama ko. Ang bilis ng tour guide namin. Ang ganda ng mga architectural design ng mga buildings nila. Pumuron parang, may pagka-Gothic style ba to? Or Baroque? Something like that. I'm sure very Baroque style yata to eh. Nakikita ko na yung Gazette, which is very famous dito sa Europe, sa France. Oh my God, ang bilis. Ayun sila, yun o. Guys, nasa France na tayo. Southern part ng France. Ang daming tao dito. Ito yung parang central park nila or central. Ayan na, may train. May mini train sila, guys. Ano? Should we cross? Halika, come on, come on. Dalian natin. Ayan yung mga kasama natin. Ayan, sige. We will be taking a photo. Group photo. Ayan. Ay, sige, sige.
Sabi pa kaya pink sa pink. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! This is the place de la Comédie.
The opera. And also the... It was like performance many times. They throwing cakes on the one comedy style.
So in front of me guys, yan yung pinakasikat dito eh. The centerpiece of the square is the Three Graces Fountain, which symbolizes charm, beauty, and creativity. So this is the place de la Comédie, which is one of the largest pedestrian here in France. So we have to be mindful sa gamit natin kasi marami daw dito guys. Daming tao dito sa square nila, tapos kung mapapansin natin, ang daming naglalakad. Everybody has a purpose, which is masilayan, makita talaga kung ano meron dito sa France. Tsaka napansin ko nga, may mga refuge na parang, alam mo yun, humihingi ng pera. Ayan, may Uniqlo pa dito. So, yun na nga. Mga kasama ko parang pagod na. So, after this one, we will be heading to Marseille, which is, it's gonna be 1 hour and 30 minutes going there. And, you know, sana ma-accomplish natin tong dalawang city tour na to. Daddy, come on, kayong dalawa po! Yan yung pinakamagandang spot for picture, guys. Pang aesthetic sa Instagram, which is maganda sana kung nag-click na kayo. Ayan yung mga ginagawa ng mga kasama ko. Kasama may sigarilyo guys. Okay guys, may sasakyan. Oh. Guys, giveaway.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone! We are now in Marseille, France. So aakyat tayo papuntang. So this is the city of Marseille. We will serving you the views. You see that? Everything is sparkling. Everything looks so good. My God, ang lamig guys. Kararating lang namin. It's 7:25 in the evening here in Marseille, and we are still alive. We are continuing the tour. Guys, let's have a photo together. Guys, come closer daw.
Maganda ito kung medyo malayo siya na may view sa taas.
So ito yung pier ng Marseille.
A few moments later.
So this is my first dinner here in Marseille.
Ay tayo.
And tayo guys.
Sobra.
Hello! Good evening everyone! Kakapasok lang natin. Nandito na tayo sa Marseille. Nandito tayo sa Marseille, France, which is southern part pa rin ng France. Time check, it's 10:10 in the evening. Kanina pa kami dumating, mga alas 9. Pero dahil gutom ang lahat, kumain muna kami. Nag-Thai food kami, nag-Thai restaurant kami dyan sa mall, which is malapit lang katabi ng hotel namin. And the good thing is, may rice kami nahanap, which is Thai naman yun. So, we can order for rice. Everybody is excited to have or to taste rice kasi lahat naninibago sa pagkain dito sa Europe. Puro croissant, puro fruits. Alam mo yun? So, yun. That's a good thing. So, yun na nga. Bibigyan ko kayo ng quick tour. Ito na nga. Pagpasok natin, nandito yung they have safety box here. Cabinets, kung lalagyan mo ng sapatos, chinelas, pero dahil hindi tayo magtatagal, hindi natin siya gagamitin. Ito, hanger, sabitan natin ng mga jacket, kasi winter clothes ang madala natin, so ilalagay natin siya dyan. Ito, may pang plants sila, and as you go straight guys, this is the toilet. This is the toilet. On my left side is the water closet. Kung saan pwede kang maligo. This is my vanity mirror. That's me. Galing tayo sa labas, kaya ganyan yung suot na. Then, as you go straight, this is my console table. Ayan. Pwede ako mag-laptop dyan, maglagay ng mga gamit. Tapos, meron pang sala dito. Modern sala. And this is my bed. A king-size bed. It's good and very modern talaga siya. Makikita mo talagang hotel vibe siya. So far, ito yung pinakamagandang hotel na nastihan natin. Maganda siya, guys. Ayun na nga, mag-ayos tayo ng gamit. I'll just, put my things na lang.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. So, kakagising lang natin. Today is November 11, which is our 6th day. Pang-anim na araw na to sa Europe. So this would be my OOTD for today. Kasi pupunta kami ng Monaco. So medyo may pagka-colored yung pang-OOTD natin ngayon. And it's 7:06 in the morning. So we have to make it fast for the complimentary breakfast. Come on, let's start. That's the Mediterranean Sea. I think we have to go na. Usually, dito yung mga sikat na Cannes Festival kung saan sineselebrate yung mga different types of independent film. Ang dami pumupunta dito ng mga sikat, ng mga artista. Dito yung Mediterranean Sea nila. Everybody is enjoying their summertime. Nagpapasunbathing sila. Which is gustong-gusto ng mga European yan eh. Yung nagsasunbathing sila. Ano yung makasama ko, iniwan na ako. Ayun. Ang daming tao guys. Ang daming pumupunta dito. Hinubad ko na yung jacket natin kasi masyado nang mainit. Samantala yung mga tao dito, gusto-gusto talaga magpa-sunbathing. Ayan o, makikita natin. Ayan sila guys. Ang hilig nila talaga magpa-bilad sa araw. Sa atin sa Pilipinas parang, alam mo yun, takot tayo sa araw. Kaya siguro madaming foreigners na pumupunta sa Pilipinas kasi gusto nila yung summer feels, yung vibes ng summer natin. Eh hindi nila alam sa Pilipinas, alam mo yun. Iba yung araw natin, cancer level. Dito guys, makikita niyo. Iba't ibang lahi, mga Europeans na sumaligo sa dagat. So, yun na nga guys. We are planning to walk high, that one. Pero, dahil nga sa sobrang init, tsaka nakakapagod. Masyadong competitive yung pupuntahan namin. So, never mind for us. Ano, pupunta ka ba?
Tingnan ko, hanggang dyan sa baba.
Hindi ko kaya yan. Ayoko. Sa taas daw kasi, nandun daw, may castle daw na dilapidated na. Para sinira nila. Para kung titingnan ko, ang taas, hindi natin kayang akyatin yan. Ayan, akyatin daw yan. So dahil 80% ang grupo namin sumama, o gusto akyatin yan. So try natin kung kaya natin. Castle. Yan yung makikita dyan, pero wala naman talagang castle daw. Sisira na siya. A long time ago, para hindi daw, nang ginagawa siya, hindi daw nagustuhan ng king. Ang pinupuntahan ng madaming tao kasi dyan talaga is yung views na makikita dito, which is yung buong city na. So guys, this is the view. So that's the view guys. Yan yung makikita nyo, yung buong 360 ng Cannes. So ito, hindi na kami umakyat sa taas. Pabalik na kami. So that's the view. Ang dami nagja-jogging dito, nagpi-picnic, nagsa-sunbathing. So ito yung market nila. So guys, yung mga binibenta nila dito, puro mga second hand. Mga original, pero mga vintage na.
Parang alam niya.
Ayan.
Alam niya na.
Puro tanong-tanong lang daw tayo eh. Pero quite expensive din eh.
Alam niya naman niya yung presyohan.
So yun na nga, may makakita ka mga Gucci dito, Louis Vuitton, Fendi. So ayan, may mga art gallery, may mga painting sila, mga vintage na pictures.